Welcome back to Day 1 Spanish, episode 4 of 20. I'm Carlos.
And I'm Lucia. The news is obsessed with numbers, crowds, votes, euros, degrees. Today you learn to count to 10,000, and it takes about 6 words.
Today's sentence, real news speed. Lucia,
Más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación en la capital. Slowly now. Más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación en la capital.
let's build the number. You already know dos, and the small numbers are on the Day 2 sheet. Today, the big ones, 100.
Cien. Cien.
Your turn out loud.
Cien. 1,000. Mil. Mil.
Repeat it.
Mil. And here's today's small, satisfying quirk, Carlos. No one. English says 100, 1,000. Spanish just says cien, mil. The one is silent and invisible.
And from there it's Lego. 10,000, 10, diez, plus 1,000 are mil.
10,000. 10,000.
Your turn, repeat after her.
10,000. 2,000. 2,000. 3,000. 3,000. You can already build every crowd size in tomorrow's news.
And the news never gives you a bare number. It hedges. More than, más de. Más de 10,000. More than 10,000. That phrase is in every crowd story ever written.
Más de 10,000. Más de 10,000.
10,000 what? People. And Spanish has 2 words for people. They behave very differently.
The one in our sentence, the counting word. One person, la persona, many. Las personas. 10,000 personas.
Your turn.
10,000 personas. And the other one, la gente, means people as a crowd, a mass. And here's the strange part. La gente is grammatically singular. The people is. La gente está, not están. La gente está en la calle.
The people, let's see, is in the street. Sounds wrong in English, perfect in Spanish. Rule of thumb. Counting heads, use personas. Talking about the crowd, use la gente, and keep the verb singular. And where are they? At the demonstration. A long word that does most of the work for you.
La manifestación. La manifestación. Manifestación.
Your turn. 5 syllables. Land hard on cien.
La manifestación. And here's a gift. Hundreds of English words ending in cien exist in Spanish ending in cien, and they're all feminine. Ela. The nation, la nación. The information, la información. The election. Well, that's Monday's episode.
One ending, hundreds of free words. The cien collection starts on today's lesson sheet. Here's where we started it. Lucia, slowly first.
Más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación en la capital.
More than 10,000 people are at the demonstration in the capital. Real news speed.
Más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación en la capital. Your turn. The whole sentence out loud. Repeat after me. Más de 10,000 personas están en la manifestación en la capital. Muy bien.
Day 4. Done. The number Lego, cien, mil, 10,000, no one required, más de for every crowd, and the 2 words for people, one of which lives its whole life in the singular.
Numbers to 100,000, the cien collection, and today's words are on the lesson sheet, free at linguawire.com/day1 with the 10-minute homework.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Mañana. Los médicos y los profesores están en huelga.
The doctors and the teachers are on strike. Tomorrow we finish week 1 with the plural machine, the most reliable piece of grammar Spanish owns. See you then.
¡Hasta mañana!